Are you struggling to get clients as a social media manager? Then this is the perfect video for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways in how you can make money with social media management, and not just $200, $300 per month, but at least $4,000 a month. And let me show you behind the scenes of my social media management journey as well, and I'll tell you what mistakes I made along with it. Now, 3 years ago, I left my 9 to 5 job as an front-end developer and I started social media management. And so when I started social media management, I had no freaking clue about what I was doing exactly. So what I did was, I went online, I showed up as an expert in my field. So I had a couple of years of experience on YouTube, and so from the YouTube experience, I transformed those skills into like my social media management skills. I learned graphic design, I learned Canva, I learned Instagram, how to manage people's Instagram, how to run a brand, what is a brand identity, and stuff like that. So everything I've learned in the past 3 years, and not with a degree. So if you are a beginner and watching this, definitely 100% you can go for it. So in today's video, I'm going to show how you can get like high ticket clients. So before we get into how, I want to share something that most freelancers are making mistakes in. So you need to remember that as a freelancer, you need to show yourself as an expert. Why will the client hire you for a particular amount if they know that you're not an expert? They can just hire some other person, another beginner who will charge like $200 for their service. And just tell me honestly, when you left your job, or if you're planning to leave your job, do you just want to make it as a side hustle, or you want to make it as a proper business? The first thing is that you need to showcase yourself as an expert. Second thing, make sure your prices are set properly in order to reach your goal. So for example, if your goal is to reach $3,000 per month, you need at least 2 to 3 clients at an average of $1,500 for your service. So this pricing calculator, it comes in my social media manager bundle. If you are a beginner and just starting out as a social media manager, definitely check this bundle out. The link is in the description box. It has all the tools, templates, proposals. It also has a mini course on how you can become a social media manager. So definitely go check that out. Once you have set your pricing, once you know what you want to offer, now comes the part of hunting for clients. Now, many people struggle with getting clients, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways in which you can get clients. Now, some of the ways might not feel easy to you if you are an introvert, but do what feels best for you, because I feel at the end of the day, a correct strategy might be different for every person. So the very first way in which you can find your high ticket clients is through Facebook groups. Now let me show you behind the scenes of how you can do that.
Hey guys, so in this Facebook tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get clients. So if you have a Facebook profile, make sure that your Facebook profile says what you're doing. So I have a banner that says let's make social media easy, because I'm a social media manager. If you are a video editor, then add your video editing skills over here. Be creative and make sure that it is super crisp and clear. So I have my link over here where someone can book a discovery call with me. I have like posts that are telling that what I do, who do I work with, what do I do, and here you can see I have created a post which says 4 million views, 6 million channel views. So basically this all shows that I am an expert in social media management, and try to make be friends with people who are like in who are your target audience basically. So if you are targeting real estate agents, try to add them as friends. Now, how you are going to reach people from groups, right? So first what we are going to do is, first we'll go into a lot of groups. So for example, if you are targeting real estate agents, and so I'll just write realtor over here, and here you can click on groups, and here you can start joining all the groups that has real estate agents. Inside those groups, what you have to do is basically you'll have to go and like create value added posts. So how you can help real estate agents um, grow their social media, which is super easy because right now I showed you one post. So similar kind of posts you have to do in these kinds of groups every single day. Try to engage with people, don't just try to sell your service. Try to engage with other real estate agents and people who are looking for such kind of services. So for example, once you join all these groups, just come again in this search bar and write hiring over here. Now there might be people who might be looking for job, who might be looking to hire new people. Now for example, I'm in this alpha fem group. I have written hiring, and here somebody is hiring a graphic designer to make graphics for ads. And if you are a social media manager or a graphic designer, this can be a perfect job for you, right? Then again, this person is my friend, so now if she has written hiring in her post, this post will appear to me. And so here you can directly apply to these jobs. I own a marketing agency hiring for two positions, social media manager and marketing assistant. So now I can go ahead and just email this person and send this person my resume or portfolio, and this person can see and hire me. So this is how you can literally get so many clients, and make sure that you do this every day. If you just do this once a day, definitely within like 90 days, I'm assuring you that you will get your first client. So try and experiment with different things on Facebook, and definitely you will know what works and what doesn't.
The second way in which you can get clients is by cold emailing and cold DMing. So let me show you how you can do cold emailing as well as DM.
So here is how you can get started with cold emailing. So this is a hack that I use to find anybody's email address. So basically, if you are offering say Instagram management services, and you want to target personal trainers or suppose realtors, so what you're going to do is you're going to write site colon instagram.com personal trainer in the commas over here, then again comma at gmail.com, again a comma, and the place that you are targeting. So here you can change it to your target audience, and this can be changed to the location that you want your client from. So basically, once I did this, I hit enter, and here I'm getting some results. So here you can see there are like literally email addresses that you can copy and email. So make an Excel sheet of their names, their Instagram profile, analyze them and send them emails about how you can literally get them to rank higher, or like get their visibility better. Do at least 10 emails a day, and after like 10 to 15 days you will have people replying to you. You can do this in bulk as well with some paid tools, but if you're just starting out, I would recommend you to using this particular method.
Coming on to the third strategy, which is Indeed.com. Now I know Indeed.com is a job listing site, but there many people are hiring social media managers and contractors. So you can go over there and literally search for people who are hiring social media managers for their company. You can pitch like a lower price than what they are hiring for, and definitely they will be willing to hire you.
So here you can see there is a listing of marketing manager, here is social media brand manager. You can see the salary over here as well. Now what you can do is you can pitch a lower amount than the salary that is mentioned here. Since you are a freelancer, you can do that, since they are not providing you with all the benefits that they will provide when they hire someone. So here you can see there is a social media manager in Vancouver, BC. You can even type United States, or like a particular Toronto, Ontario. So you can even find it in a specific region if you're looking for that. And what you can do is you can go on this company and then directly email them. Now you can find their email on their website and then email them regarding your services. You can even do this for like at least 5 to 10 job applications per day. So consistently, if you do it for like 10 applications per day, then definitely you will see some results in a few days. And if you don't, then try to tweak your message, try to tweak your portfolio, try to A/B test different kinds of emails. Yeah. So here you can even write contractor. So companies are usually looking for contractors. Um, and if there are no contractors, then directly email them that I can work for you as a contractor, a marketing contractor. So this is something that I have also been trying to do since I've moved to Canada over here, and trust me, it will show you results really fast.
Coming on to the fourth way, which is Upwork and Fiverr. Now these are freelancing websites where people literally go there and hire people. So those are like super targeted, and like on Fiverr I've earned about $5,000, but I made like small gigs. But if you are a social media manager, you can earn much more than me. I don't usually use Fiverr, I use Facebook groups to get my clients. But if you are using Fiverr, it is definitely worth it, and even Upwork as well.
Here you can see that there are a lot of social media manager jobs that are listed out. Um, if not, just click here and see for like keywords like Canva, and you will be able to see a lot of jobs related to the things that you are doing. Try to see jobs that are $20 an hour or $30 an hour. I feel like $5 an hour is pretty less. So you can even filter out what kind of settings you want. If you want to work for a fixed price, if you want to work for an hourly, minimum, maximum hourly rate, you can just set whatever you want over here, and then it'll show your job postings. Now here you will need to see that your connects will be going every month. You will have a minimum of connects. Suppose every job that you apply for requires 12 connects, so you have to use your connects very wisely, and you'll have to see which job postings are perfect for you, not just blindly apply. That won't work. So basically go here, click on apply now, and you'll see it requires 12 connects. Once I submit this proposal, I'll have 13 connects remaining. So you'll have to use very carefully what connects you are using, because then once your connects gets used, you will have to buy more connects, which is not recommended by me, because if you're starting out, I do not recommend you to spend money to get clients. Um, so this is something that their job description is. You can literally read this and then try to apply here. Set your rate, this much is how much you'll receive. The 10% fee will be cut. Write your cover letter here, upload your portfolio here, and send for 12 connects. If you want a higher bid, like basically bidding is 13. If there are 13 connects, someone has bid 13 connects, then you can set a bid higher than 13 connects, so that the client will see your proposal first. So very carefully use your connects. After that, we have Fiverr. On Fiverr, I've earned like a good amount of money, about $5,000. So here you can also see, like if you search for social media manager, you'll be able to see like a lot of gigs that are offering this particular job. Um, So you can see there are people offering social media manager, and trust me, some of them are not even that qualified to offer this kind of job, but they are, right? So you can see he has just 3 images. He doesn't even have profiles on here as to how he operates, and already he has like 8 orders in queue, which is amazing again. So here you can see, hey, I'm Steve, an influencer and social media manager. I will optimize your social media accounts. What makes me best? 100% tried and tested platforms like this. He has maintained his results as well. So you can see this is super amazing, and get good reviews, and you'll start getting orders over here as well. Check out other people's profile and see what prices they have set, and then you can set your prices accordingly.
Coming on to the last and the final way in which you can get clients. Now this method is called inbound leads. Now inbound leads is something that takes a little bit of time, but if you do it correctly, you can start getting clients faster as well. So what you do is you showcase your talent with the help of your content. Now for example, if I'm creating this video about how you can manage Instagram as a real estate agent, so that becomes a content piece for real estate agents, and they'll come to your video, they'll see what you offer, and then they will click on your link below, and then they'll take your services. So you can do that for any business that you are offering your service for, or you can start putting out written content on LinkedIn where you are catering to like your target audience, and your content is like a hero content. So what do I mean by hero content? Now hero content is something where you showcase yourself as an expert. So for example, if I gained 4 million views on my YouTube video and I'm offering YouTube services, so I will make a detailed post about how I did that. Not even how, but you know, how I achieved that goal and what I did to reach that goal. So basically people who are interested in your YouTube services will read that post and get like inquire, and you will start getting inquiries for that.
Coming on to LinkedIn and how you can manage your LinkedIn. So basically here you have to post a lot of content in order to start getting inbound leads. So for example, if I have posted, I'll show you one of my starting posts which I had done, which when I was starting new and I had no clue what I was doing, to be honest. So this was 4 years ago, and this post has about 149 likes, like you can see. So it was like 4.5 years I was confused why I had done my engineering but I didn't know what to do. So now I marketed myself as a digital marketer back then. Now I'm a social media manager. So you can see this post, you can go onto my profile, read my post, and you can see that how I have crafted these posts towards me being an expert, even though I had no fucking clue what I was doing. But so here you can see, I had like 4 million views, 6 million channel views. These are some of the things that I had been doing before I entered freelancing. So I had a lot of experience in YouTube. So I have, highlighted that, and how am I so good at marketing when I have an engineering degree? All these things are setting me apart from other people. So what sets you apart? You have to make content over that, and try to be crisp, try to be clear in your content, whatever that you are writing. So this will start getting you a lot of book call bookings. So I have also mentioned how they can book a call with me. So here I have written my book a call with me, and here is like a Calendly link that they have. So once you go onto the Calendly link, you can book like a 30-minute call with me. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can get inbound leads. Similarly, you can do it with YouTube as well. You can go on YouTube, create your video, showcase how you are an expert in a particular niche, and then you can add your link to book a call with you. So the last and the final method.
If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now don't worry, the SMM bundle is still available for you. It is on a discounted price. So if you are a social media manager or a beginner in freelancing, this bundle is perfect for you. Just click the link in the description box, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.